Hey guys, my beautiful, lovely Igbo family. How are you doing? Kekime. Hope you are good, right? So this is Onyi and you're welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. My name is Onyinye Chukwu Madukife and you can call me Onyi for short, right? And this is our channel where we learn Igbo, we teach Igbo, in fact, everything Igbo you need to know, right? And things about me, of course. It shouldn't just be all about learning. Sometimes we catch cruise, sometimes we have fun, sometimes we show our real life activities and all that, right? So I'm here to appreciate you for your kindness, for your support, for everything you've been doing for me, and basically this I Love Igbo channel. I love Igbo family. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'm really grateful for everything you guys have been doing. Like, I see all your shares, all your comments, all your likes, and I'm really grateful for all of that, right? This is just an appreciation video just to thank all of you for your kindness, your support. And I also want to urge you guys to please keep supporting me. Yes, I give you what you want, and I expect you to also give me what I want, and which I'm seeing, but I still need more of your effort. Yes, we have 1,250 something subscribers. So I'm actually talking to 1,000 plus subscribers. That is people on this particular channel right now, of which I know you may come across this video, but you've not subscribed, right? Please just subscribe. Yes, but I mainly need your watch hours at this point so that YouTube can monetize this channel. That is basically what I need from you. And that is by sharing this video or sharing my videos and liking them. When you watch it, don't forget to like. Watch my videos, like my videos, and share. Most importantly, I seriously need your watch hours, which I'm very much close to YouTube requirements. And I urge you guys, like I'm pleading, if you want me to kneel down, I can do that. Ichokam se ulan agame sepu. Manana ma yogi biko biko is please. Right? If you've been following this channel, you will know that Biko is please. I don't need to keep explain what Biko is all about. But I'm seriously begging you to please watch my videos. Yes, I really need your watch hours at this point. I want this channel to be monetized this year. I don't want it to pass this year. I want this channel, this family to be very big. I want it to be big, more than now. Yes, we have 1,200 and something subscribers, but we need more. We need more, and we need your watch hours as well. You don't just watch the video and just keep it, or just, move to the next. Share it, like it. The more you like the videos, the more YouTube recognize the video. And the more YouTube algorithm shares it to other people on this YouTube app. So please, I beg you, you can call me Onyi, you can call me Onyinye, you can call me Madukife, anyone. So Madukife is actually my surname. So do you know one thing I just realized here, right? I just changed the channel name to my name, but the handle is still I Love Igbo, right? Because this is my channel and I changed this to Onyinye Madukife. That's the name, right? But the handle still remains I Love Igbo, which is basically Igbo. That's what we do here. Okay. But when I go on YouTube and then search for Onyinye Madukife, it will bring out all my videos. So interesting, right? Very wonderful. And that is to show that we're actually doing well on this particular channel. And I want us to keep doing it, to keep doing more. I want us to keep, moving forward, and I have beautiful videos lined up for you this month. Of course, I've actually wished you guys happy new month in my last post, but yes, happy new month to you once again. So I need to know what you think. What do you want actually? What are the things you need? I want to hear from you. Tell me what you want to see in this channel, this particular channel. Because I realized that I post, sometimes if I post, phrases in Igbo, right? Some videos I will get more views, some I will get, lesser. So I don't really know what you actually want. Do you need more of the phrases, or do you need the cultural aspects of it, or do you need the let me just hear from you. Let's interact, let's communicate. Okay, I know I'm supposed to go live with this, but I just want to drop this video, and I'm actually rushing to somewhere, but I just want to drop this video so that whenever you come across this video, just tell me what you think in the comment section. I want to know what is in your mind. As you already know what is in my mind, I really need your watch hours. I really need your support, more of it. I'm seeing the support, but I need more of it. Okay? I need more of it. And don't forget that I love you so much. I love you guys. Yes, in case you don't know, I love you guys. So the meaning of that, my name, that's Onyinye Chuku, means God's gift. The gift of God. That is Onyinye Chuku. But you can just call me Onyi. Yeah, so that you will not maybe bite your tongue while trying to pronounce the Onyinye Chuku or whatever. So all right, so guys, I just said let me drop this video, and yeah, possibly know what you have in mind. Okay, because I really need to see your comments. I really need to see your I just want to know what you have in mind. Please let it not be that I'm just creating videos and perhaps you guys are not finding it interesting, because the last two videos I posted, I got lesser views more than the ones I normally get. Some videos I do get. There is this my video, I have over 20,000 views, and which is so amazing, like very beautiful. YouTube sees it, yes, they see it, but I need more watch hours. That is why I'm asking you, so that I will give you that particular thing you need. Do you get? So that I will give you what you need, as well as, I will just make it beautiful for you when you watch it, and then I'll get the watch hours I need. Because this life is a kind of akanni na akekpe, akanni kwa akekpe, akekpe akwa akanni, akanni kwa akekpe, akekpe akwa akanni. When the right hand wash the left hand, the left hand will now wash the right hand. You compromise each other. So, Biko, I'm begging. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Do not pass this video. Watch it, like it, share it, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Of course, I still need more of subscribers, right? But I'm just telling you, I don't hide my feelings. I'm just telling you what I need most. I need the watch hours. I'm close to the watch hours. The YouTube what's it called, monetization criteria or requirements. I'm very close, so I need more of your watch hours. Okay, thank you so much for staying to this point. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for seriously engaging in my videos. I'm really grateful. Dalono Chukwu gozie unu. Ngwa ka ọ dịkwa. Goodbye, and see you in my other videos. Of course, I hope to see your comments soon. Bye.